Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jordan. In this video, I will be sharing with you how I prepped, installed, and styled my drawstring ponytail from Her Given Hair. Let's get started. So ponytail is fresh out of the packaging. This is in the texture curly 3B3C. The length is 18 inches and it's 105 grams, and the hair color is natural color. The ponytail comes with 2 clips and a drawstring for security. Step 1 is to co-wash. First, I'm going to start by running the hair under warm water just to wake up the curls, and this will also help bring out the natural texture of the curls. Next, I'm using the Main Choice Revitalize 3-in-1 conditioner, and I'm going to work that into the hair. After the conditioner is applied, I'm going to let it sit on the hair for about 20 minutes and then rinse it out. Next, I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Cream of Nature Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner, and I'm also going to detangle the hair. I'm going to let this hair air dry in a hair turban and move on to prepping my hair. So if you've been watching my videos, you know that I like to start almost all of my protective hairstyles on clean hair. I've also already applied my leave-in conditioner and moisturizer. To do the rubber band style, I'm starting at the front of my head by parting both sides at an inward angle and then connecting them at the top. I'm also using my Echo Styler 48-hour edge control to help give me sleek parting. Next, I'm parting another section and I'm going to do a twisty. And I'm repeating that on the other side as well. Next, I'm parting one row down the center, and I'm going to do a 2-strand twist. For these last 2 sections, I'm splitting them in half and applying a little bit of edge control. I'm going to secure the front 2 sections with rubber bands and then twist the hair all the way down. So for this last part, I'm basically creating an X. I'm taking the twist and connecting it with the hair on opposite sides. Alright, so onto the ponytail. I'm spraying my hair with a little bit of water and I'm using my Eco Styler gel to get my hair into a sleek ponytail. For this first style, I'm going to do the high ponytail first. To secure the drawstring ponytail, I'm putting my hair into a high ponytail and then working it into a bun. Of course, this part is optional, but I am going to pull out a little bit of my sideburns. So to secure the ponytail onto my hair, I'm taking the drawstring and I'm tightening it just so that it'll fit my bun. Then I'm going to attach the hair using both clips. One clip will go right on top of my bun and the other clip will go right below my bun. I'm tightening the ponytail a little bit more just for extra security, and then I'm going to wrap the string around the base of the ponytail and then secure the end with the bobby pin. There's a little peekaboo of my hair tie, simple fix. I'm gonna just take a bobby pin and secure the ponytail down at the base. For styling, I'm using my Lotta Body Milk Honey Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. This was my first time trying this mousse and it wasn't really defining the curls the way I wanted them to be. So for my low ponytail, I did apply a cream-based product for styling. My edges are laid. I wanted a band to go around the base of the ponytail, so I'm taking two small sections from the back of the hair and I'm going to twist both of them and then wrap them around the base of the ponytail. And here is style number 1. Yes, hair. Now I'm going to show you how I did my low ponytail. I'm repeating the same steps for the ponytail attachment, except I won't be doing a band around the base of the ponytail. I'm using Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream to style, and I'll also be applying some jewelry to top it off. And these are the final looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the bell because I will be posting another video next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.